So earlier this year, I changed the transfer case fluid on my 96 Explorer, and it came out looking like molasses. Straight up freaking sludge, pretty gnarly. Why? I'm not quite sure, because the factory fill specifies ATF, automatic transmission fluid, which is a pretty thin lubricant. We're gonna go ahead and drain out that first fill that I did, so that'll essentially act as a flush. We'll see what that looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and top it back off with some new fresh fluid, and we'll see what we got. Okay, definitely a lot more liquidy than last time, that's for sure. So yeah, it looks like pretty good results here just using that one drain and fill as a flush. And then now I'm gonna fill it up with some Redline D4 ATF and should be good to go for a while with that. Excellent protection against corrosion and evaporation. I don't know if you can read that there, but yeah, maybe that's what happened to the original fluid. It just evaporated into a sludge. I'll put this whole quart in there, and if I need a little more, I'll add a little bit of this Super Tech ATF here. So now I'm going to apply that thread sealant on the drain bolt here before I put it up in there. I also want the threads to be somewhat clean there before I thread the bolt in. Alright, that should be pretty good. And just wipe off some of that thread sealant that kind of works its way back on the threads when you're tightening it. Alright, got the bottle of fluid there. Alright, took the seal off of it. Multi-use pump. In, out. Let's see if I can go wide angle here. Alright, now we are ready to pump. And there we have it. We are good to go.